I picked up some flowers from the nursery. Flowers are not just aesthetically pleasing and smell great, they are able to ward off pests too. My celery has grown really dense. My family does not eat much celery, we only put it in our soups as garnishes, so I have to trim it more regularly to prevent the buildup of pests. Pests like powdery mildew love to hide between the stems. It's good to check on your plants every now and then, especially under the leaves. This is where pests love to dwell. Removing the leaves that turn yellow or brown regularly helps the plant grow more new leaves. Unfortunately, my spearmint is not doing very well as my balcony lacks sunlight. I can see that the stems are turning woody and the leaves are dying. Before it becomes completely dead, let me propagate it to give it a new lease of life. When the roots have grown, it's time to transfer into soil. This is a difficult process. I have not succeeded in growing my plants this way so far. I hope I'm able to succeed this time round. The same method can be applied to most herbs. I'm doing the same to my favorite herb, sweet basil. Before propagating, I remove most of the leaves on the stem so that the plant focuses its energy on growing roots. dwarf tomatoes are cultivated by astronauts in space, I am removing the tomato suckers to increase airflow, which reduces competition for nutrients. Wondering how to get rid of pests? Check out some methods which have worked for me in the next episode.